Welcome to John Lewis 3D Learning. In this presentation, we are going to learn water chapter in 9th standard chemistry. The topic is concentration of a solution. So that is expressed in two different ways. One is mass percent and the other one is volume percent. So concentration of a solution. So what is meant by concentration of a solution in the very first place? And second thing, what is how it can be expressed in the form of mass percent, and then third one in the form of volume percent. So now let us learn what is meant by concentration of a solution. So the amount of solute dissolved in a given quantity. So what we should know is exactly how much solute has dissolved in how much of the solvent. That is what is known as concentration of a solution. So generally that is expressed in 1 liter or 100 ml like that. So for example, if you take 1 liter of water or 1 kg of water, 1 kg of water taken as solvent, okay, and then you are dissolving a solute, so maybe x gram, or here also we can take 1 kilogram or 1000 grams in 1000 grams. Okay, we can take x gram, 1000 grams. Okay, what is meant by concentration of a solution? So the concentration of a solution is the amount of solute dissolved in a given quantity of that solution. How much solution, how much gram of the solute has dissolved. So that is what is known as concentration of a solution. So we can define this concentration of solution is the amount of solute, the amount of the solute dissolved in a definite means what? Known or a given quantity. In given quantity of that solution, not solvent, of that solution. So solution means what? Solvent and solute put together is called solution. Therefore here the amount of the solute dissolved in a given quantity of that solution is known as concentration of a solution. Is it clear? Okay, now let us try to understand the two different forms of expressing the concentration. That is the amount. Now we have to express the amount of the solution. So what is meant by mass percent? See, for example, here if you take 100 grams of a solvent or some x gram of solvent or y gram of solvent, and you are dissolving x grams of solute. So the mass percentage will be, so what is the amount of solute in that solution? X. What is the sum of the mass of solute and solvent? X plus y. That is, in x plus y grams of the solution, the amount of the solute alone is x gram. Therefore, if it is 100 gram, how much? That will be the percentage of that solute. Mass percent of that solute. Is it clear? So x is the mass of the solute, y is the mass of the solvent. So what is the total weight of the solution? X plus y. So in x plus y grams of the solution, the weight of the solute is just x gram. Therefore, if the weight of the solution is 100 grams, how much mass of the solute will be required? So that will be the percentage of the mass percentage of the solute. Is it clear? So how we can define this now? So it is defined as a mass percent is a solid, the amount of solid is, so we have to write in words, mass percent is the amount of solid solute, dissolved in so percentage means how much? 100, no, dissolved in 100 grams of the solution, not solvent. 100 grams of the solution, in 100 grams of the solution. So that is why in the denominator, since it is a solution, we are taking the sum of the mass of solute and solvent. Okay, that you have to be very, very clear. Okay, therefore what is the percentage, mass percent of the solute? That is equal to mass of the solute mass of the solute divided by mass of the solute plus solvent. Mass of the solute. So mass of the solute plus solvent. That means the mass of the solution into 100. Into 100. So this will be the percentage mass of the solute. Clear? So this mass percentage is determined when the solute is solid. When the solute is solid, we can use this method, mass percent. But when the solute is liquid, we can use volume percent. So what is volume percent? Suppose the solute is also a liquid. So liquid solvent. So liquid solvent. So let us take this volume is y ml and you are dissolving x ml. So because this is also a liquid, x ml of solute. X ml of solute. So what will be the total volume? Total volume will be x plus y. So this will be the volume of the solution. So out of x plus y, how much is the volume of the solute? Just x ml. Therefore for 100, how much it will be? Therefore for 100, how much this will be? Is it clear? Therefore what is volume percent? Volume percent is the volume of the solute present in is the volume of the solute present in 100 ml. ml means what? Milliliter. 100 ml of the solution. 100 ml of the solution. So that's why in the denominator we have taken x plus y. X is the volume of the solute, y is the volume of the solvent. Therefore the volume of solution is x plus y. So out of x plus y, how much is the volume of solute? X ml. Therefore if x plus y is 100, how much that will be? Therefore this will be the volume percent of the solute. So this volume percent is calculated when both the solvent and the solute are liquids. Okay, therefore percent by volume is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solute plus solvent. That is nothing but volume of solution. Am I right? Volume of solute plus solvent. So into 100. So if you know this formula, we can easily calculate the percentage also. If the percentage is given, how much salt is dissolved also we can calculate. See, if all the data are given, one value is unknown, using this formula we can find out the unknown value. Okay, so I think in the next video presentation of this lesson, we are going to work out some problems based on these formulas. Hope you enjoyed learning with me. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please click the like button and share it with your friends. Until we meet next time, bye bye.